How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 70 C10 Shortbox. Came out of Alabama. It's had a complete frame off restoration, done in its burnt orange and white two-tone. Super nice little truck, very nicely clean, detailed. So all the grill surrounds all new, bumpers all new. Truck's real flat down the sides. It's got all the side trim on it, all looks like new. They did all new glass. It's got the factory rally wheels, BFGs. It's a really cool truck. All the trim on the tailgate, everything's new on as far as trim, taillight housings, rear bumper. They did the Blazer rear bumper on it. Nice slick look. Truck looks really nice down the sides. It's got the small sport mirrors on it, factory type mirror. It's got a rebuilt 350 with aluminum intake and Holley. It's got vintage AC and heat. It's got your power disc brakes, power steering. It's all painted real nice under the hood. Nice aluminum radiator. It's got 350 turbo trans. It's got the 12-bolt rear. It's posi. Nice dual exhaust all the way out the back. Really nice. All new interior in it. It's got rear tilt wheel. It's got your factory gauge package. All inside the cab's been redone. Got a nice center console armrest there, which is, you know, it's just removable. It sets there. Gives you a place to put your cups and your soda. All inside the bed looks real nice. I mean, they did all new latches, everything on this truck. Again, it's got the vintage AC and heat. It's got a retrofit AM/FM stereo with iPod capability. Just a clean truck. Fire it up. Truck here. Sounds real good. Drives out real good. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.